Sabi nila, pag masaya ka, hindi mo namamalayan ng oras. Para itong buhangin ang dumadasdos sa iyong kamay. Pero, paano kung bigla itong binawi sa iyo? Paano kung ang kasiyahan at oras noon ay siyang naging alaala ng masalimuot na litrato ng nakaraan?
1, 2, 3.
It's my birthday today. Am I happy? Or should I be happy? Paano kung yung karawan ko ang siyang nagpapaalala ng lahat ng mga nawala sa akin? Magiging masaya pa rin ba ako? Magiging excited? I almost convinced myself it was okay. Pero, hindi. Ang araw nito, ang siyang nagpapaalala sa akin ng pait ng kahapon.
So guys, what is the plan? What time tayo pupunta kay na Sarah?
Ano ako sa bake shop kanina? Nagpa-reserve na ako ng cake.
I bought her favorite book. Ha? Akala nyo lang? Kaya lang may pa-surprise?
Sarah message us. Ayaw na tayong pupuntahin sa bahay niya.
No. Sa ayaw at gusto niya, pupunta tayo. Kaya mag-ready na kayo, okay? 5 p.m. Kita-kita tayo sa palengke. See you!
Tingin ko, magiging masaya si Sarah sa araw na to. Excited na ako. Bye everyone! See you later!
See ya! But then, they never came.
Wala na sila. Sabi ng mga pulis, lasing ang driver ng truck. Hindi niya daw sila nakita. Nagplano silang susupresahin ka. Sabi nila kailangan mo daw sila. Kasi wala na ang mga magulang mo. Sana biglaan ang nangyari. Nandito sila ngayon sa ospital. Sana lakasan mo ang loob mo.
Sarah! Sarah! What are you doing? Class has already ended. You should go.
Sorry, sir. Life felt meaningless, pointless even. Everything important can disappear in an instant. Why them and not me? What is the essence of life when the person who gave it meaning is gone? Could I have done more? Should I have been there? Yet, the only thing that I can hear is their laughter, a painful reminder. But in the darkness, a flicker of determination to honor their memory, to live a life worthy of the love we shared, their love, their memory. That's real, that human connection. It was real, and that's what keeps me going on. The road ahead symbolizes a journey unfinished, but it also a reminder that life, however painful, it should be continued. I have to keep walking to honor their memory by living a life worthy of their love, even if it is forever shadowed by their absence. Their absence is a void never be filled, but their love that will always be with me, always.